Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make money in Rand Simulator in the early game, okay? Now, early game cast strategies are going to be very different, okay? Because you have many different ways of actually making money in this game, okay? But, one of the best way, and this is actually very useful right now because there's a deer right now, is by you just hunting wild animals in here, as you can see, okay? So you can just wait for the, certain animals to pop up, and you can just try to kill them or to hunt them, okay, with your revolver. Remember that you can press tab to get your revolver in here. You can also get a rifle, in a little bit after the game. Yeah, early game you're only gonna have this revolver. Okay, so you can just use them as you can wait for the animals to kind of spawn and try to hunt them with your gun, okay? This is very, very useful, okay? Now, the best areas for this, in my opinion, or the best ways for this, in my opinion, is actually, well, first of all, you have the hunter missions that you can actually do. This is kind of a side quest that you can start, the hunter or rancher, and you can accept the quest, and many are going to pay you, 200 or 400 each. And these are actually repeatable, so it's very good for you, and you're gonna get like a lot of things done, okay? If you want to hunt one animals or wild animals, what you can do is, not only do this, but you can also go to these kind of regions in the outside of the map near the hunter region, and there is going to be more likely that you're going to find these animals, okay, these wild animals, okay? So just, hunt them, skin them, and then you can sell their meat or you can sell their products, okay? I've told you in the tutorials that you can make like sausages. So yeah, just keep that in mind, guys. For example, I can kill a cow in here. And I can skin it. And I can grab the meat and I can sell it. Okay, so this is something that you can do as well. Now, this is not the only choice that you can do. What you can also do is you can actually start to buy some pigs or some chickens. So for example, you can get like 2 pigs and maybe 2 chickens, because they're gonna breed really fast. You can just feed them, all right? And then what you can do is you can grow them and meet them for profit. Chickens are very like steady egg income because they give you eggs, so you can just collect and sell the eggs daily. Okay. And yeah, guys, in general, this is what I'm gonna recommend you do. Just have your animals, just hunt your animals, and then just sell them. Like coming to the general software store, you can just sell them. Okay. I also recommend, if you want to try to get some more money, to start early processing fast. So as soon as you can afford, let's go to the buy section again, a grinder, which is this one here, or a stove, okay, which is actually in the hardware store. I recommend that you actually buy them because that way you can process the meat into sausages, into meatballs to increase the sale price per unit, okay? You can even do the sausages with the eggs, and this is going to sell even better and give you more profit. So yeah, guys, this is what I recommend in general. Thank you so much.